Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to share with you a new series. So every Friday I have plans to share my stash with you. I am supposed to be going on a spending freeze for 2022. So in order to have some encouragement, I am going through my stash and I'm sharing how I'm organizing it. Some Fridays I'll share projects. So I thought this would be fun because this also encourages me to use what I have and to also share just some items and how I'm storing them or how I'm using them. So here we go. So I'm going to show you my Raskog and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you how I am organizing my smaller stamps and these Simply Gilded sticker albums. And then I have some other containers that I have in my Raskog. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my Raskog and then I'll be back to the table. Okay, so here is my Raskog, and this Raskog goes underneath my desk. Just show you really quick. And then there's my desk. And I no longer have a craft room, I have an office. So this, and then even when I did have my craft room, I always had a Raskog underneath. But my Raskog underneath had like my inks and things like that. But now I have my inks under here, and I can give you a desk tour, at another time, but I just want to show you how I am storing and organizing my smaller stamp sets. So here I have like little, the close to my heart stamps in front. Here I have these stamps, the Lawn Fawn, the small Lawn Fawn, and then I will go through the baskets and will also show you how I am categorizing my stamps. So, and then underneath here, I'll just show you this real quick so I don't have to take this out. Stamp block, inks. Here is a couple of stamps here. I put these in here so I can use these more. So I was trying to show the stamps at a certain angle, but I couldn't do it. So what will happen is I will show the stamps and the stencils at the desk angle. Okay, so now that you saw how I have them organized in my Raskog, I'm going to show you how I am cataloging them in my wide, or actually it is in a narrow traveler's notebook. And this is a traveler's notebook that I had used previously. Let's see. Okay, here it goes. So I had this notebook and I was using it for 2019, but I only used it for a little bit. So what I did was I took it and I believe it's last year, 2020. Oh, it's stamped January 2019. I decided I wanted to catalog my stamps. So these are my Mommy Lace stamps. So I did samples of all my Mommy Lace stamps. So when I want to use my stamps, I know which stamps I have. So I decided to go ahead and catalog my Cocoa Daisy stamps. So that's where I started. And yeah, so I just stamped them all in here and then I placed them inside of these sticker albums. So I'm going to share that really quick. So this is how I store them. And then some of the stamp sets, I actually have samples in the back or in case I want to use them. So like if I want to use them really quick on a layout or in my journal, I used a neutral color paper pad. I will take a picture and I will show you which paper pad I use. I think I used 2 of them. But yeah, I like the neutral colors. So that's what I did with that. And then same with this one. So they're all filled up with Cocoa Daisy stamps. Just go through that really quick. And my plans for these videos, some I have not stamped yet, but I just slid them in the pockets. And then in the back, because it's so bulky, I didn't put anything back here, but if I wanted to, I could also add some stickers or whatever back there for more samples. And I have these Julie Nutting stamps. I have bought these clearanced out. I have not done samples for those, but I keep those at the top. And then I have some stencils, some more stamps, functional stamps. These are stencils from Cocoa Daisy, and then some stencils and stamps from Tim Holtz collection. And then here I have one more. I have shared this before. I just keep these in a basket. And then that way I could flip through. I did these samples when I was in Italy, I believe last year. So I just stamped those. And so if you have sticker, albums, I had bought some clearanced out through Simply Gilded, and then I would get them free all the time through Planner Society. This is a great way to use those extra sticker books. And then I have some date stamps here. Date stamps. More stamps. More stamps. All of these are not cataloged, but what's nice is in my Rascog, I can just pick them up and just look to see what I have. I may catalog them eventually. And then one more container of my stamps. Some of the backings I took off because these are days of the weeks. So I was using those. This one, I think I used maybe once. So I'm trying to use those more because now that I no longer have a subscription, if I run out of stamps, days of the weeks, numbers, months, whatever, even, well, I have alphas for days, but if I want to just use these, I can. So that's it. So my videos I'm planning on doing for about no longer than about 10 minutes. So they're very quick, just to show you how I am storing my stamps how I'm organizing my stash. And this is the mini stamp collection and how I'm logging it. So next week I will actually be sharing my B6 Chic Sparrows. So every week will be something different. So please join me for this collab and tell me what you like or what you would like to see, and then I will share that with you. One week will be washi, one week will be maybe even paper, just different things. But yeah, so I just want to share that with you, how I store my small stamp sets, and I hope you enjoy this series. And if you'd like to join. Maybe we can come up with a name for it or something, but I'm just sharing this. And this is episode 1 of Friday Stash Organization. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.